Each group gets a scooter and you get a rope. I'm only going to do 2 rules. That's it. Rule number 1. If you're on the scooter, you can't be pushed. Nope. The other rule is you can't touch the water with your hands or feet. And I'd like you to cross with your legs on the scooter so you don't get hurt. So, can't touch the water, can't be pushed. Everybody needs to get to the other side of the ocean where the black line is over there. But you can step on the small island where the hula hoop is. Questions? We're good. All right. 1 kid from each group get a scooter and a rope, and we are ready. Yeah, you can move the hoops. Yeah, that's fine. Talk about it right now. Strategize. How are you going to get to the other side? Thank you, Lucy. You're the best.
Can we go?
You pushed off yourself. See that? I didn't say you couldn't do that, so that is okay to use that strategy. I feel like we need some music on. Who's last?